My name is Todd Jackson. I'm the CEO of Jackson Design and Remodeling, and we're located in San Diego, California. You know, there's many things that led up to me starting Jackson Design and Remodeling as it is today. I literally started back in 1989 when I was 20 years old. Got my general contractor's license when I was 23. Built my first addition when I was 24. By the time I turned about 27, 28, I realized really I've got to make that transition from the field to the office. Ended up with an opportunity to work with Home Depot Expo years ago when they had designers and those sort of things. And really that kind of inspired me to become handling more of the design build side. I think that the energy around culture, it has to be intentional. You know, it's a three-sided story. If it's only for the company, if it's only for the employees, and if it's only for the clients, you take out one of those and then it still falls over. I've done my best to try and surround myself with good quality people that were expertise in kind of their departments. We've invested, lots of time and lots of effort into those great people. And we've given them an opportunity to actually start to run more and more of the day-to-day business. It has evolved over a period of time, but today we're blessed with approximately 60 employees, 9 in the architects department, 15 interior designers. So lots of creativity and inspiration running around, but lots of technical expertise to actually get it built. I think when clients come to us, I think their expectations are that they're working with professionals. But I also think that we bring something that is very difficult that other companies strive to do. And that is really, how do we take that idea and enhance that client's ideas and really become one and make something so unique that's theirs. At least in San Diego, our version of design build was really kind of the first kind of version of what that was. I think what's really great is that you really have a project director who really has more of the construction background and kind of helps guide the entire team through that. You have an architecture who has really the expertise on the structure side, maybe not quite the expertise on this finite cabinetry or the exact tile and backsplash and pulling that together. That's what our interior designer focuses on. Starting with all three of those parties on the front side is imperative. As we evolve as a company, we don't want to be the company that says, hey, we're doing something because this is the way that we've always done it. One thing that I know we do is that the team puts together and evaluates, hey, what's working? What's not working? It's always looking, how can we become better? I think sometimes complacency is your enemy. Jackson has evolved to do more sophisticated projects. We've just been very blessed that opportunity to be able to work with clients that are looking for something more unique, a little bit more custom, definitely more personalized. And then just getting an opportunity to be able to build, beautiful projects that really change people's lives. I think that's what I hope is a legacy. I believe Jackson will, is going to outlive me and be led by, other folks with the same passion and the same caring and the same ethics. That would be the legacy, right? Where people have the same mindset and the same values to continue the business.